showroom.
So they can design for different companies, for the office, or also for the hospital or shopping mall.
So this kind of business is like a rental or something?
Yeah,
They
also,
pay monthly,
yes,
and
they
you
also
come and take care
produce
every green
maintenance,
inside.
yes.
Oh, like in Thailand. In Thailand, we also. My friend is the owner of ornamental. It's like a landscape garden, a very big one. They do a project of the very big department store, and also do the vertical garden. The mostly of ornamental. Not, oh, tomato. Oh, this draft one?
Yeah,
Draft
but
tomato?
not delicious.
Not delicious.
We also grow draft.
We eat tomato, we need lycopene. We don't need, we don't need
Okay.
any taste.
You can add sugar, right?